one thing that really irritates me about Indian comedy, and give me a cheer if you all agree, is that after every joke, we have to put a sound effect. It is so irritating. After every joke, like you're watching the TV, okay, and this is like, hey, you like Supergirl or Wonder Woman? Actually, I don't like both. My favorite is Sonpari. Have you guys ever noticed we get racist with our sound effects? Every single time there is a South Indian, there's an ayo. Every time there's a Gujarati, it's an ara. And every single time, guys, I want you all to clap and scream if you all have heard this sound effect, the most racist sound effect of all time. Every single time there is a Sardarji, there is always a bolo 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 bolo. Oh! How did you get that sound effect? How did you go to Dharil Mendy, kick him in the balls? He like bolo 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 bolo. Dardi rub rub kar di. I'm like, why are we using this? If you're using sound effects, let's go all out, right? Why don't we use sound effects that Indians are famous for, right? Sound effects like, which is a legal pickup line in Gurgaon, by the way, right? Then my favorite, okay, this is, women use a sound effect a lot. Especially older Indian women, it's a sign of displeasure, you know. You'll find 3 older women sitting in a circle. That's the Morse code, you know. And I'm telling you, all the guys over here, on your Suhagrat, if your wife ever goes, you have fucked up big time, okay? You have fucked up big time. But the worst sound effect, okay? This y'all have all heard it, okay? You'll be walking on the road, minding your own business, and one guy will pass you and he'll go, what is that? I was in the bathroom, this dude comes next to me, opens his zip. Okay, नीचे से खांसी आ रही है. This is why we don't have a good horror film industry, guys. This is why we don't have because we will fill any horror film we make now, we'll fill it with so many sound effects, it'll become a comedy, okay? How many people over here have seen The Exorcist? Anyone who's seen The Exorcist? You've seen The Exorcist, right? There's a famous head-turning scene. Everyone has seen that scene. If India were to remake it, we'll fill it with so many sound effects, you'll laugh your ass out, okay? Because that ghost will be like, la, la, la.